Welcome. Today, we are going to learn about a powerful word. Pragmatic. Let's discover what it means together. Pragmatic means dealing with things in a practical and realistic way. It's all about being smart and sensible. Here's another way to think about it. It means solving problems using what actually works, not just dreaming about perfect ideas. So, what's the difference? Pragmatic people focus on what works in real life. Idealistic people focus on perfect dreams. Both are important, but pragmatic thinking gets things done. Why is being pragmatic so helpful? Let me tell you. It helps you make good choices. It saves your precious time and energy. It helps you solve problems quickly. And most importantly, it makes your life so much easier. Let's look at a real example. Imagine choosing a simple, tasty meal instead of a complicated recipe. That's being pragmatic. Smart and practical. Here's another one. When something breaks, fixing it simply with what you have saves time and money. That's the pragmatic way. How do pragmatic people think? They look for real solutions. They don't waste time on impossible ideas. And they focus on what they can do right now, in this moment. Want to be pragmatic in school? Here's how. Plan your homework step by step. Ask for help when you are stuck. And use helpful tools like apps or notes. Simple. At work, being pragmatic means focusing on tasks that matter most. Solve problems quickly. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Even in relationships, pragmatism helps. Listen carefully to others. Say what you mean clearly. And always find fair solutions that work for everyone. Let me share the pragmatic decision-making steps. First, see the problem clearly. Second, think about what actually works. Third, choose the best option. And finally, do it and check your results. Now, let's clear up a common misunderstanding. Pragmatic is not the same as lazy. A pragmatic person is a smart, active problem solver. A lazy person just avoids work. Big difference. Also, pragmatic is different from pessimistic. Pragmatic people are realistic and hopeful. Pessimistic people are negative and doubtful. Stay positive and practical. Did you know many famous people were pragmatic? Thomas Edison tried thousands of ways to invent the light bulb. Marie Curie focused on real experiments. They changed the world with practical thinking. Throughout history, pragmatic people built amazing things. They used what worked and created greatness. So how can you practice pragmatism every day? Start small. Keep things simple. Use what you already have. And always learn from your results. Pragmatic thinking helps you grow as a person. Try solutions that help you improve. Learn from every experience. You'll become stronger. But here's something important. Sometimes, you need creativity and dreams too. Don't be too pragmatic. Balance is the key to success. What tools can help you be pragmatic? Checklists keep you organized. Timers help you focus. And notes and reminders keep you on track. Remember, be practical but also care about feelings. Use both your head and your heart. That's true wisdom. Here's something beautiful. Pragmatism builds confidence. When you solve problems, you feel strong. You start trusting your own choices more and more. Pragmatic thinking beats overthinking every time. Pragmatic people act fast and learn. Overthinkers get stuck and delay. Which one will you choose? Let's remember these keywords. Practical. Realistic. Helpful. Smart. These 4 words capture the essence of pragmatism. Want to teach kids pragmatism? Show them simple solutions. Praise their practical choices. And encourage them to try things out. They learn so much. Quick quiz time. If someone chooses to bike instead of driving, is that pragmatic? Think about it. Why or why not? Let's summarize what we've learned. Pragmatic means practical and real. It helps you solve problems effectively. And it makes life so much easier. Why should you use pragmatism? It saves you time. It reduces your stress. It gets you real results. And it helps you stay positive. Here's my challenge to you. Try being pragmatic today. Look for what really works in your life. You'll be amazed at the difference. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. I hope you feel inspired to be more pragmatic. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy learning. Stay practical, stay positive, and keep growing. See you in the next video.